and they're eating,
Oh,
and you
yeah.
goosed it,
Yeah.
and it just poof. I'm fucking losing it.
She said she's gonna fuck you up.
I saw him wiggle.
By the end of this fucking video, there's gonna be a fucking fight.
Set up the ring now.
Brought the compressor and the generator and the battery charger too.
I even bought water.
Your dad even bought water and monsters.
Is he planning on sticking around all night, or what's his plan?
I'm sticking around till the race is done and I'm taking my truck home.
With your car.
So your car's either gonna be on the fucking trailer
Yeah.
or you're picking it up tomorrow.
Yeah, fuck you and the horse you rode in on.
So how do you like us now?
Because there's no way that I'm stopping there and then gonna make it over to the track in time.
You're typical late. So what? You missed the heats.
Ty,
No, it's not laps that I'm concerned about.
yeah, Ty said he'll hop in the car for the heats.
Yeah.
If there's 34 cars, then
34 cars?
no, I'm just roughly, you know what I mean? If there's 30 cars,
Yeah.
No,
there's gonna be a main, there's gonna be a B. If all transfer, then it doesn't matter. I gotta start tail.
Listen, bud. There's a B, you think you're not making it out of the B? You can start tail in the B, and you probably drive through my fucking bumper to get through. You know what I mean? Like you're all right. Don't worry.
Hey, I think we're pretty even now.
What do you mean? You knocked two of my tires and rims. That motherfucker's been off 16 times.
No, it hasn't.
It's like 3 bolts and 2 zip ties holding it in.
Actually, there's like 5 and
Exactly.
2 zip ties.
Even my ass. Guys, I help him fix his car and he sweeps me. Like takes out the knee. Like fuck. You're lucky. I got behind. You mean? Sierra didn't come out. I was behind you. And I'm sitting there, I'm like, do I just run into his bumper?
Just run right through me.
Smoke this fucking thing.
I fucking love that setup.
Yeah, I know, that's sick.
That's so sick. So you do my intro for me?
Yeah. I look like Randy too. Okay. How does he always start it off? Saturday, July 5th, we're at Merrittville Speedway. Randy's not here yet because he had to go up north with his family for some family stuff. Hey, don't fucking touch my car. Listen, bud, you better not touch it. We're here, his car's here. To be honest, honestly, the fact that he didn't bring his car, he's more prepared than he ever is. Well, it's true, he's got a battery charger here, he's got gas, like, he never has all this stuff here. Generator, like, Ashley, I swear to God, we didn't use the generator from the house. Yeah, we're about to get after it. Didn't grind tires, because what to do? He should be here right before the heats. So, he'll be fashionably late, like always, Randy Hollywood always. We're ready to go racing.
This is a better intro than Randy's ever done. It was so streamlined. Yeah. That's it, we're shifting the YouTube focus over here now. That's it.
I mean, to be honest with you, I got a bigger logo on the side of my car than he does on his. You're lucky you didn't fuck up my Merrittville setup. I'm sorry. Go flip my car. You see that video? Yeah, you'll have to put that in there. Go flip my car, asshole. Help him fix his car. Go flip my car.
I didn't flip your car.
Man, did you watch the video?
I've got my car today, yeah.
It was close.
To flipping it? No.
I'll pull it up right now. You wanna see it?
Hell yeah, hell yeah.
You wanna see it? It's fucking, it got 2 wheels off the ground. It was,
Yesterday. No shit.
the fucking guy says it.
That was close to a rollover there. Look at how that car dug in on the front straightaway once it went around to the left side and slid. 2, and now from our speed shot. Little bit of contact there. A couple drivers deeper in the field.
Another look. This is from the flag stand.
And you see those cars just got a little bit loose and then overcorrected, and thankfully didn't flip that car over. We quite often see cars on their lid.
All 4 wheels were on the ground. There was no lifting of your car.
But I'll show you the video. The guy, the announcer at Oshwegan legitimately says, like, don't flip that thing.
fair, I saw him wiggle before I hit him last night. He came into the corner, saw him do a little, and I'm like, I said that. Cut that out of there.
Nope, that's in. That's in now.
I saw him wiggle.
By the end of this fucking video, there's gonna be a fucking fight.
Set up the ring now.
There's the man of the hour.
Daniel.
You mean the red carpet?
Huh?
Hey, you want us to lay down red carpet for you? Okay.
Yeah, sure.
I wish I was a famous YouTuber.
Just a famous YouTuber.
Wait, hang on a second. You own pants?
Yeah, I just came from a funeral.
Sorry.
Hey, no more pony on pony crime, alright?
Yeah, what the hell?
To be fair, he did wiggle a bit before I hit him. You wiggled because you hit him. No, coming out of the corner, he wiggled and then I hit him.
Oh, so you finished them?
Yeah.
Got it, got it. That's how that works.
We're starting heat 2. This fabulous hot Saturday. Hopefully Johnny covered that.
Oh yeah, we already covered that.
Perfect. Did he cover, make sure you subscribe?
Not
Stop
yet,
fucking
no,
us
no.
around?
No,
subscribe. Stop just watching this stuff and fucking off. Subscribe. Like, it doesn't cost you nothing. It's free. You know, I sound like all the other fucking dickheads that do these. Make sure you subscribe. 74% of the viewers aren't, but please subscribe.
It's actually probably an accurate number too.
It probably is, yeah. We're starting heat 2. We're starting at 5th, 29 entries. We're getting real close to that 30-car entry, you know. I don't think it's still on the dirt tonight or anything. Shout out to Type S for reaching out this week, and they're going to send us a new dash cam so that we can get a dash cam in the car again. Use Chrome 10. Get 10% off all your Type S purchases. You want to buy a heat warmer, a seat warmer, a heat warmer, a seat warmer, a dash cam, some sick underglow like we got on the car, some sick interior glow like we also have in the car. Hit up Type S. Use discount code Chrome10. By the way, tonight Go Fast People is going to be in a modified, and Derek Van Mills Cool modified. So we have to watch the modified. He's never been in a modified before. I have to watch some hot laps to see how that goes. Because he's pumped and I'm pumped for him. So fuck yeah. No street stocks tonight. Apparently we got the vintage. So get out, Go Fast People. Double check the air fuel on the metering block, see if it's where it's supposed to be, and then we just adjusted the flow because the flow was a little high, so I think it was maybe overflowing. We had this problem before. It would overflow into the bowl, and it would be all coming out of the corner. So I'm assuming that's kind of what our problem was without taking the bowl off. It might be wise to just take the bowl off anyways. Thank you, Andrew. There we go, air fuel adjustment and a float adjustment. Try that, see if it's any better. Oh, we're starting 7th. Yeah,
The what?
Gonna repaint this thing at all?
Repaint it? What's
No
wrong
more
with
paint left, is there?
Yeah, that's outside.
Oh, what's wrong with it? Looks good.
Yeah, she's good. She smokes. It's so annoying behind him. Like every time I race, I got stuck behind him. And then if I pass him, he doesn't let it happen. He'll get me out of the way. He doesn't smoke me out. It does. Honestly, it burns your eyes. You love it though, eh?
No, I don't love it.
I was losing it in line over there. The guy and his wife, the people or whatever, the officials were standing there, and they're eating.
Oh,
and you
yeah.
goosed it, and it just poof. I was fucking losing it. I was losing it.
Yeah, so we're starting 7th. Right behind Mr. Johnny Lubeck. So on the pole, Clinton Bergs, Savannah Fontaine, Cameron Holmes, Stephen Boverhoff, Johnny Lubeck, Sierra Robinson, the 1RJR, us, Hannah Rothwell, Austin Warstrop behind us, Kenny, Kitty Corner, Ray in behind him, Alex, Riley, Mason, Sierra, Jeremy, Dimitro, Iftadi, Bolton, Cuse, Jesse Duga, I don't know who that is, G8, Richard, Oliver, Connor's not here because he left. He's being a baby. So Rob Golding will take his spot.
So
in
why
20.
did he leave?
He had a mousetrap break apart on the head, so it like keeps the rocker and spring assembly on the valves all together. This is like the 3rd week that they've broken. So
Oh shit.
yeah, so I don't know what's going on there. So, but I know who will know. Make one phone call to Chris at Blackwell Race Heads, and he will sort out your 2-3 Lima inquiries. Right? Yeah, I'm gonna take you out. I'm starting kitty corner to you. I'm gonna take you out. Good luck, I'm coming for you.
What?
What, the juice?
She said she's gonna fuck you up. Something like that.
Wouldn't want to have to rebuild the car the 3rd time this season.
Lanes all together, so we're gonna push the show again tonight, guys.